I bet you didn't know just how wild your life could look in 2050. Picture this. You wake up in a city where your gadgets know you better than your best friend, and the line between science fiction and reality, it's gone. Imagine waking up, not to an alarm clock, but to your AI-powered room that senses your sleep cycle and wakes you up at the perfect moment. That's not science fiction anymore. By 2050, smart home tech will be so advanced, your living space will pretty much know you better than you know yourself. Now let's talk about wearables. Forget smartwatches. I'm talking about ultra-thin skin patches that stick on like a band-aid. They'll monitor your health in real time, send updates to your doctor, and even dispense meds through your skin if you need them. And for AR glasses, think smaller, lighter, and sharper than anything we've seen. You won't just see directions on your lenses. Your entire world could be layered with info, games, or even digital art that responds to your mood. Personal transportation? Autonomous vehicles will be old news. In 2050, I expect personal flying drones to be as common as electric scooters. Urban air mobility will mean short hops across the city in minutes, not hours. And hey, your drone will probably self-clean and self-repair too. Now let's dive into communication. Smartphones might be replaced by neural interfaces. Tiny implants that let you send a text with a thought, or stream a movie straight into your mind's eye. Privacy and security? Huge deal. But the convenience is off the charts. And when it comes to entertainment, holographic projectors could turn any surface into a screen. Want to binge watch a show across your bedroom ceiling? No problem. Gaming will be fully immersive. Think haptic suits, full body tracking, and environments that change with your emotions. Let's not forget home robotics. By 2050, I see robots handling everything from cooking your dinner to folding your laundry, learning your habits, and adapting in real time. Some might even act as companions, not just helpers. And powering all of this? Clean energy tech will be built into nearly every device. Imagine solar fabrics in your clothes, energy harvesting shoes, and home batteries so advanced that blackouts are ancient history. Of course, all this comes with big questions: privacy, ethics, and making sure everyone has access. But one thing's clear: by 2050, gadgets won't just fit into our lives, they'll transform them in ways we're only starting to imagine. So if you're as hyped for the future as I am, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep dreaming big. Who knows what we'll be unboxing next?